we saw the previous video of HD leadership and we see the scenario for yesterday data validation in any company. Okay. So how we can implement same scenario? We saw the scenario as company is there, the social media company is there, and many users are using that company app, but they are violating the rule like without aware of user, they are taking their private data. Say for example, personal details, or it can be any account information related to user and their private messages even they are sharing it to the public. So the management are forcing the employees to do the work to aim for maximum profit revenue. But the employees who are working over there, which they are felt as unethical. So how we can handle this situation and how we can apply this problem how we can incorporate design thinking in this particular problem, and how the design thinking will give solution for with the help of those phases which we have as empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. How we can give solution step by step with all these stages. We start by giving the solution. Yes.
So let me empathize this piece to you. Empathy. Here we need to understand the pain points of the users. So when we see the users feel insecure, when their private information is being sold to the unknown advertisers or some unknown people. So we need to really empathize their pain points. The users feel insecure, and also we need to see the employees. So when they want to do unethical or they feel like it is unethical and they want to follow their values, their human values, they see and they want to the company will force them to do some work, but they want to be loyal to the people who they are working for. So this is the pain point of the users and employees, which we need to deeply concern about. And also when we want to define this problem statement, the users users will trust the process. They will trust the app and they will get the information, but the trust is being broken by the company. Well, just for getting a more revenue for them. So this will be a pain.
So coming on to the ideate part, first of all, as an employee, I have to look up for the information with what information they are going to sold out to make the revenue with this. So after that, I will look up for the past informations, and then we can ideate by how can we overcome this issue, so that we can solve this issue immediately. And then also, like as an employee, you have to look up for the customer safety, because while selling that customer's personal details to any other people without unethically, that not only it will affect the customers' trust, and also it will affect the company's revenue, and they may face a financial loss. So while they are facing a financial loss, the employer may get a jobless, or they may not get any salary on that month. So this is the major problem faced by them. So after that, by ideating this, we may introduce privacy panel control. So which is the employee and the customer can resist what kind of data should be sold to anyone. So they can see the data's visibility. I would like to add up an example. We are using a smart car, so we are having a dashboard in the car, seeing what vehicle is coming behind us. So the customer and the employee can see their data, so what kind of data is going out, and what are the actions are happening in between the app, so that after that, in the testing phase, we can give to some certain people of customers after launching the privacy panel. After that, we can ask them to get a feedback, how are you facing these issues, you are facing any insecurity while using our app. After we are getting the users input feedback, then we can finalize this.
So as to come to this problem, as I said, users sharing the email private data is negative. So it will both play a wonderful solution for this scenario. Okay, let me see in the next.
Thank you.